What it do, man? What it do? This is C Mac and hear me back again with another video. And today is something very simple, very simple. If you have a 300 Hemi like myself, don't be alarmed if you get a check engine light. It could be nothing. But what I found out with me was it was this. So this goes right here. This is your Evap purge. It's your purge valve. I got this at O'Reilly. There's a part number right there. And this one got a lifetime warranty on it. So there's a new part. So it's very simple. And the reason why I want to go ahead and change it out because my check engine light, it was on for like maybe 2 days. And then when I left work earlier today, no check engine light. See, when you have a check engine light on these type of vehicles, your remote start will not work. It'll cut on for a minute and it'll shut off. So that's like a safety feature. But it's very simple and easy. This hose. So this hose will connect here. The bottom right here. It'll connect down here to that. And you have your plug. As you can see, you snap in and then you slide it right back in there. Pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, this is your Evap, part of your Evap system. Now, I have heard that if your check engine light still stays on, then you have the actual pump that's actually, it's way back up in here. You have to take the tire off and it's way back in there somewhere. But it's a little white piece, so, and that's just a twist, clip, plug, very simple. So, it's just a small video, man. I knew I was gonna come out with another video about my rear view lights, so I'm gonna hold on to these for a minute. I mean, there's nothing wrong with them, so I'm gonna hold on to those. I found out that you can't just plug those in with the type of year and model of this right here. You probably have to get a newer model rear bumper. So I'm good, but I did find some close to OEM lights that look exactly OEM on eBay. And I'm thinking about grabbing those. So I'll probably do a video on that later once I get them. But anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn on that bell so you'll know every time when I drop a video. Apologize for the longer wait. Had some issues. Just got this brand new water pump put in. It was leaking bad. It was leaking at both sides. And basically I was peeing everywhere. If that makes sense. I did have to replace these holes back here. If you can see them. Yeah. Those two right there. I bought one hose, start the car up, it started spewing out, so I had to get the other hose out, and that connector right there as well. So yeah, no leaks finally. She's running good. She's keeping coolant like she's supposed to. Talking to somebody about getting a 6.4 intake manifold. Thinking about doing it. I'm thinking about doing that because I can basically turn this into a 392 if a lot of folks don't know. They're saying that these 5.7s, they're a lot better than the 6.4s and 6.1s for one reason. You still can add boost to this engine. The 6.1s, the 6.4s, they're already maxed out. So, I mean, I literally can turn this into an SRT8 or a 392. So it all depends on what you want to do. So I think I might sway a little bit between 392 and SRT8. So like, comment, share, subscribe. do a post notification bell so you won't miss a beat. That's my neighbor right there with that 200. I might do a video on his. As y'all knew, I had that black boy. I missed mine, but ain't nothing like a Hemi. So this is C-Mac in the Hemi. Peace.